Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Cassandra. So today I'm coming to you with another nail polish review. Haven't done one of these in a while. So I bought both of these sets at one of my favorite stores of all time, which happens to be Winners. And for my non-Canadian watchers that aren't too familiar with Winners, it's a Canadian retail store that's owned by the same brand as TJ Maxx, Marshalls, HomeSense, all of that. So pretty much a great discount store. You can never go wrong. So I got two different brands. The first one is Manna Kadar Beauty. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. This one came with 5 beautiful nail polishes. I love it so much. Only for $7.99. I thought it was a pretty good deal. I didn't want to leave it. And the second one I bought is called Beauty Concepts, and this one comes in a pack of 8. Bunch of different pinks and nudes, very gorgeous. It also advertised that it's cruelty free, and I love that. So here's one of the first ones called Noteworthy. I really love this one. First of all, overall, the brush is amazing in this brand. I love it. This one is a very gorgeous pale gray, and it's so hard to find a really pretty gray, but this one was just, I love it so much. You can build it. It works perfectly. I love it. So this one's called 5 Star, pretty much your standard baby pink. It kind of reminds me of Mod About You by OPI, just very light and very dainty. I like it, it's nice and girly. See, this is my thing with nail polish reviews. I love buying new nail polishes knowing damn well I don't need any more. Somebody help me, someone take my debit card. But anywho, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you like what I do. So I really love this one called #goals. It's such an awesome name. It's just so cute. So when I seen this one in the bottle, I assumed that it would be kind of like a gray, kind of purplish, like a grapple as I like to call it. And it came out exactly how I thought it would. And I'd probably say this one is my favorite just because I'm a little biased. Purple is my favorite color, but oh, I love it. So this one here called On Point kind of surprised me. I wasn't too sure if it was going to be a off-white kind of cream or if it was going to be like a super light pink. I wasn't too sure, but honestly, I really love it. It came out really cute, ended up being more of a cream color. And side note, let's not pay attention to my orange nails. As you can see, they're kind of jacked up. I did my nails for the video and they got messed up, so please don't pay attention. So this one's called Overachiever, and I really like it. It's like a nice kind of dirty pink, kind of, I would describe it. And I just think it's perfect for like the everyday wear, no matter what length your nails are. I love it so much. It's, oh, look at it. It's gorgeous. So these are what the 5 colors look like when they're completely dry and no top coat. I absolutely love it. It was worth every penny. So here's the second set that I bought called Beauty Concepts, and this is just a better look of it. Beautiful set, 8 nail polishes for $9.99. Why not? I'm really feeling this set. I love the packaging. It's very cute. The one thing about this is that there are no names. So we're just gonna be calling them the pink bottle and the red bottle and the blah 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 bottle. So this first one is the nice baby pink, kind of has a shimmer to it as well. I really like it. And as you can see, I took off the orange nail polish. It was just getting too rough. It was getting too rough. So as you can see with this color, it's very transparent. You have to build it up a little bit depending on the kind of look you're going for. I do like when the colors show, but I really do like it. It's almost like a pearl. So I would call this color kind of a fuchsia. It's bright and it's very pink and it's very bold, and I like how bold it is because you don't really have to put too many layers on this one. As you can see, this is just one thick layer and it covers everything. So here's another baby pink. I would even call it more of a bubblegum pink. It's very bright, a lot brighter than the one from the Manna Kadar brand. This one is very thin though. You definitely want to add a couple layers if you want it to show, but I do like how it is. Like, the color is really pretty. So this color definitely took me by surprise because I was expecting it to be more of like a wine kind of red, but it wasn't red at all. I wasn't expecting that. It was more of like a ruby kind of pink. It's cute though, but it wasn't what I was expecting. So this one is almost identical to one of the other shades from Manna Kadar. Nonetheless, I really like it. It's a nice pinky nude, everyday wear kind of. It's cute, it's nice. I would probably have to say this is maybe one of my favorites out of this pack. It's very Barbie pink. It reminds me of it reminds me of like Nicki Minaj back in the days. It's like bright, it's vibrant. I like it. Again, with these colors, you definitely want to build if you want it to show, but the brush isn't bad, but the Manna Kadar brush is a lot better. But their colors are very bright, they're vibrant. It's very Barbie-ish. I like it. And now here is the red that I've been waiting for. I would probably say red nail polish, like a deep, dark wine red is just one of my favorites. It's super sexy, very mature. I love it. Like it does no wrong. It always looks good. As you can see, it's not like super, super red, but it's more of like a wine, kind of a nice Merlot. As you can see, I have wine on the mind, but I really like it though. So this color was almost like a orangey kind of nude, I would say. I don't know. Tell me in the comments what you think this color is. I don't know how to describe it. I don't really feel like it matches the set, but I really like it though. There's something about it. I think it's gorgeous. So here are all 8 of the colors dried with no top coat, and I just think they look so beautiful all together. And from the first set and the second set. So as you can see, the first set is a little bit more dull, but it's a different vibe versus the second one, and it's a little bit more vibrant. So overall, I'm super happy with my purchase. It was great price. I love it. The colors were beautiful. Winners never disappoints. So did you have a favorite color? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.